Alright, I got a Durango heated seat. Wasn't working, so the service manual says you have to pull the seat out. Obviously I didn't. You can take it out. The seat cushion, lower seat cushion. It's got this bolt to the bottom of the seat. It's got all these connectors, and it's got there's one right there, kind of U-bolts right here. You can see them from the bottom. They bolt up from the bottom, and in the back it just hooks in the back bar back there, and that's the bottom one. You just have to unclip this stuff. It pops off of there. The seat cover comes off, and then the heating element, which looks like this, is just basically double-sided taped to the seat cushion. So that gets that off, and then the back one, you just go to the back and pull this cover with that little pouch dealy. It just pulls off the back of the seat, and then kind of the same deal. You just unclip those plastic retainers that hold the seat cover on, and then you can get to the heating element. And there's a little, I don't know if you can see this little cover thing right here. The wire goes behind that. It's got one screw in that hole, and it is a 20 Torx. Screw looks like this when it comes out, so you can get the wire out from behind there, and then you just tape it on the seat cushion and plug it back in, and it should work. So anyway, this is I think it was a 13 Durango. I think the passenger seat is probably comparable. So hope that helps somebody.